Hey folks, I'm HP and today I'm going to talk about Where Did You Sleep Last Night by Lead Belly and Nirvana. Somebody of you asked for this tutorial a long time ago and I didn't do it for a while, I just forgot it. But if you want to have a tutorial of songs which are probably a little bit more rare on YouTube, which tutorials are rare, let me know in the description. Because if I like the song, I think it fits the channel, I do it. And I really love the song because it's something new, it's in 3/4. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button. So, Where Did You Sleep Last Night by Lead Belly. The Nirvana version is played in E flat. So the whole guitar is tuned on half step. I'm just doing the normal tuned one and sounds like this, more or less. Then starts all over again. So that's the guitar work about this. And as I already said, it's in 3/4. If you don't know what 3/4 is, normally you count 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a 1 bar. Now it's 3. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. It's like a waltz. So you guys who are married out there know what a waltz is. You count 3 and you dance in these 3 circles. I don't know how to do waltz, but it's like a waltz thing. So you always got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That's the main measure here in this track. So let's now see how it's played. It's really simple. The first chord is a normal E7. You just play a normal E. Then put your pinky here. So second fret, index, first fret, and pinky in the third fret on the B string. And now you play first the bass note. 1, 2, 3. So you count 1, 2, 3. See, it's really simple. First bass, then upper part. 1, 2, 3. And then in the second bar, you play the A string as bass note. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Only till 2, and then comes this figure. This is a triplet. The triplet is 3 notes per beat. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Sorry guys, I just learned the song. Yeah. Then we go to A. So over this 0, 2, 4, 0, 2, 4. Then normal A, and again first the bass note. 1, 2, 3. First bass, then the upper part. And the normal A chord here in the second fret. You make a barre. I would do a barre here. It's probably the easiest. If you want to do this one here, be my guest. I don't like it probably because I have too big hands for that one. So again, 1, 2, 3. Oops. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2. Then comes G. You just go down here with the middle finger. Third fret. Then 1, and then D, G, and B string are played. Second time on the original recording, you also hit the high E note. I don't know if you wanted to do that or not, but that's how it's played. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so then we go to B. Second fret here, a barre here with the, you can make it either like this, which I cannot do because I have too big hands. So I make it like this. You make a barre here with the ring finger and here in the second fret, and then 1, 2, 3. Again 1, 2, 3. Then you go down with the bass. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and then this note here, third fret, E string, a little bit bending, back to E7. and then again as at the beginning. So I'm going to play the whole thing now slowly. 1, 2. Let me quickly zoom a little bit away that you see the picking hand as well. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Sorry, at the ending we have the B here in the bass. Once again, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yeah guys, these were basically the chords and how the whole thing is played. The Nirvana version, as I said, is played on a down-tuned guitar, and not exactly that way, but the same chords. Just a little bit more, let's say, fluffy. Not so precise, but still cool. And I think this guitar was just recently sold, got the highest price for a guitar ever. The guitar which you see on that MTV video. That acoustic guitar with the pickup here. Yeah. One more to say, when I download the tabs of that what I showed, they're available at the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. Join there, make a subscription to support me and my channel in these times. It would be cool of you. And join the little community we are building there. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on Google, HPCrazy. Write me a review on Google Maps, HPCrazy Guitar Academy. You can also follow me on Telegram. I have a channel there as well. I'm also on Facebook. I don't really do Facebook anymore. I don't like them. Good. So that's more about this. See you guys and subscribe to my channel.